What's up guys, it's Mo from Ghostly Hair Company and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited today to show you how I get thin spirals using my Thinny Heatless curler. I bet you're wondering, what is this? Well, it's a roller, it's thin and it's wrapped in mulberry silk. Of course, silk is a lot healthier for your hair, keeps it nice and moisturized and doesn't dry it out. But this is perfect if you want curls without the heat damage. You can use it on natural hair like mine. I've just washed and blow dried it. You can use it on hair extensions, or if you already have like salon curls and you want to preserve them, you can just put in one of these rollers. So when you wake up in the morning, you have amazing curls. So I'm going to show you guys today how I install mine. And I use 2 of them. I know that's probably like a bit much, but I feel like when I use 2, I get a lot more curls. So I'll show you how to do that. Although it is a little bit more work, it's definitely worth it in the end and you'll see. So before I put my roller on, I am going to put a little bit of the Go Sleek Rose Oil in my hair just to add a little bit of moisture to it. And I only put a few drops, not too much, because I have found that when your hair is dirty or too oily, the curls don't really come out that great. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. And my edges, I did put a little bit of heat on it because I don't really want the puffy roots. So that's what I did. You can choose to do that if you want, or if you just don't want any heat on your hair, you don't have to. So to use 2, you want to section your hair off horizontally. So I'm gonna section it off from my ear area. And by the way, I am wearing clip-in, kinky straight clip-in hair extensions just to show you this roller tutorial, because my natural hair is quite not where I really want it to be right now. So to really show you what this roller can do, I did add clip-ins in today that I will sleep in just one day, because you know I don't recommend sleeping in clip-ins often, but I will sleep in them just tonight so you can see how my curls will turn out. So what you want to do is place the rod right over the front of your head. You want to make sure it's not too far back, not too close to the front, but like about right here. You get these 2 small clips right here, and you want to clip it on whichever side you don't intend to roll first. Put this here. All right, perfect. And now the key to having a lot of curls that are really defined and just like amazing, you want to take really small sections. If you take really big pieces, your curls may not be defined, or you may not have any curls at all. So I'm going to start here by taking this small thin section and wrapping it around my rod. And then you want to also pull with tension. It's so important that you pull with tension. If you don't, it'll be loose and your roller may come off real easy. So make sure every time you wrap the hair around that you pull it with tension. So I'm going to take another small section and wrap it around. Now you can use this rod also on wet hair. However, I have found that didn't work all that great for me. But Results will always vary just depending upon how thick or as well as the length of your natural hair. Now, when you get right here around your ear area, you always want to make sure that you have the rod close to your face as you wrap versus sticking out like this. So let me grab my next piece of hair and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so I'm gonna pull the rod down and now wrap. Got that on. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps on this side. This side may take me a little bit longer because it's more hair over here. I'm going to do the same thing. Take a small section and wrap. Now what I also love about these rods is they are so comfortable to sleep in comparison to how hard a normal flexi rod is. I'm going to place my clips on the side that I'm not doing first. I'm going to kind of split this down the middle. Of course, I always feel like I don't do my back as good as the front because I don't have eyes in the back of my head, and then plus it's like a lot more hair back here. It's a little bit harder to roll, but the curls still come out really good even though it's not as neat. But because I've wrapped with tension, I still have a nice curl. All right, so I have both of my thin rollers in. You can kind of see what that looks like. These bend in just like flexi rods, so I push these up. And then I put my turbine on, which is gonna hold my roller in place. And I'm gonna wear this overnight, at least 10 hours. And then we will see how this is gonna turn out, so stay tuned. All right, guys. So I have had my roller in overnight. I slept comfortably. This thing was not hurting my head. So let's see what these curls turned out like. I will say that I wish I would have rolled this like a little bit tighter, especially in the back. But I started rushing towards the end of the video. So that was my mistake. So if it don't come out right, y'all, I still gave y'all the steps. And as long as you roll it tightly, it will come out right. So let's see what happens here. So I'm gonna take out the roller in the back first. All right, y'all, so these are my curls. Now, it's definitely not as tight as some of the results I've had in the past, but I think the curls are still cute. Got that side out. The curls are curling. This is actually pretty great considering I had straight hair yesterday. Okay, and remember guys, I'm having these clip-ins, but I unclamped like the ones that were on the edges just to make sure they weren't pulling. All right, so as you can see, because of course you can't wrap the roots of your hair around the rod, I don't have curls there, but I still have like a lot of curls in the back. Okay, so I definitely need to, let the curls drop a little bit, finagle it like a little bit more to get it to do what I want, but you get the point. You see what this roller did. It definitely did its thing. So you could get this roller online at GoSleek.com. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at GoSleekHair. Definitely like this video and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more great content. See you next time.